What used to sit here is an old Kenmore unit.
It's now time to time travel. Fasten your seatbelts and hold on tight. This won't last long.
Okay, here's a letter at a friend's house. This is a straight cooled unit, natural gas, Lennox gas furnace. It is a air conditioner model CA9036VKD3. Serial L9941-15516. Look, it's been replaced. I saw the furnace, which used to be a really old Lennox gravity furnace, has been replaced. This is the new Tempstar Zongshan Broad Ocean Motor Company Limited. 1110 RPM. Look at that tiny scroll. The new Tempstar. I don't know if the old unit died or if it was just all replaced, but this looks brand new, and I know it is. Look at that nice install. That's gonna be the nicest line set job I've ever seen. I could have done better on that. Let me get a picture. This is a 3-ton 13 Seer, 35th week of 2012. There's all the specs. Data manufactured right there, August 2012. It's nice and shiny. Here's the new downflow 80% furnace. Tempstar. Condenser right out there. They reused the existing the old Lennox furnace. This is a, hold on. Let's read it. N8MSN 090-1714V1. So that's a 90,000 input. The serial is A1247. I'm not going to read the rest, but 1247 would mean 47th week of 2012. So this is fairly brand new. I bet the old Lennox furnace died it. The hell? How that filter is. It's messed up, but this is going to be the cleanest install ever. All the joints are taped and everything. Wow. Whoever installed this done a really good job. Line set, condensate, drain, everything. All you're gonna see is wow. There's the A coil. Wow, I can't see the burners unfortunately. I wish I could. Oh yeah, you can. Oh, that's cool. It's cool. That's a 1987 Honeywell T87 round one, because like the old Lennox furnace was from 86 or 87. I don't know how it died, but all I know is it's no longer here. I have a video of it somewhere. If I can find that video, I'll post it as a separate video, but there's a new Tempstar furnace. I didn't know the outdoor unit was replaced, which sucks, but there was nothing wrong with that condenser. But this is a typical install. It's downflow. This is a crawl space foundation, so the vents are in the wall and the return is in the ceiling. Yeah, ancient Kenmore water heater, which is from 1994. 153.335422 is the model. 40 gallon. I forget who makes them. I think it's GE. Warranty expires $9.97. It's old. There's a new furnace. It's running and cooling, obviously, because it's like 48 degrees outside. And I'm going to go inside now because I don't like it in here. It smells like natural gas, and I know it's coming from that water heater because it ain't coming from here. Let's put off some heat. Oh, I ain't gonna touch that. That's hot. Anyways. Okay.
Time for a blooper. There's only one in this video.
12:47.